any language. Read, write, understand any language. And if I am talking about literacy, should be at least 90% and more, at least for a developed nation, or should be 90 to 100%. But we are finding that Indian literacy, according to 2011, it is 75%. And you can say that it is 82% in male and then 65% in, I said that, female. There is a great gap for the female. Another, I said that there is an 84% in the urban area and then 69% in the rural area. So again that we are finding out the two sectors, female and then rural area, where the literacy rate is very low. And for having the nation that they are growing in the urbanized region or anywhere, that the male and one we have to see urbanized region, it is growing, but the nation has to give good consideration towards, which one I said that? Female, and I said that one, it is the rural area where there is a great need of increasing, and for the developed nation our literacy rate should be so that they can contribute in what? Quaternary sectors, tertiary sector major way. Understood? And they can become one of the human resource for secondary sector. Understood? So I said that education and literacy again determine high level of, I said that, understanding for development of a nation. Education and literacy. Understood it? Clear? We should be in the range of 90 to 100%, and I said, or India maybe aap dekhoge, there is, I said that some of the states are, only few states are in the literacy in this kind of it. There is a very high uneven, in India if you see there is an uneven growth of literacy, uneven growth. Some are 100%, some come back to the 50%. Understood? So I said that there is a great mismatch in the Indian context, uneven, if I am talking about. But the social measures, the first social measure determined the economic development, it is an education and literacy. Second, I am saying accessibility to public services like health care. Understood? And you know that different kind of health center at the rural level and as well as I said that urban level, and there should be in a good accessibility. Yes, which are the two accessibility? Physical accessibility and economic accessibility. If I am talking about accessibility to public service like health, and the two accessibility we have to talk about, physical accessibility and another I am talking about economic accessibility. Physically means in every rural areas, there should be an availability of what? Health centers. Yes. And then we can be able to see that there should be an ASHA groups like and other NGOs should work to provide better, understood, social health activist. Understood? Accredited social health activist. Accredited means government authorized. Accredited means government authorized social health activist. They are doing campaigning. Activist means achieve some goal by campaigning. Achieve. Activism means what? Achieve some goal by campaigning. So those who are activists, they will do campaign and they will achieve it. So ASHA group and then different physical accessibility should be there, and then at the same time road means transportation, road construction, or we can say the transportation. हमारे यहाँ पे सपोज तुम लोग आईएएस बन गए, घर गए, गांव गए, वहां से गांव से that there is no some way you have been got some kind of problem and those problem cannot be resolved. तो लोग क्या करते हैं, खटिया पे उठाते हैं, they started running toward the urban area in between human capital loss. So road transportation, so physical accessibility should be there, and then I said that economic accessibility. In the developed nation, if I said the health system should be cheap, or I said that free, but in India it is not like this. It should be economic accessibility. If I said that it should be cheap, or we can be able to say I said free, cheap or free. Do not take the nation like अभी भी हमारे यहाँ से बाहर से लोग हेल्प लेते हैं, हमारे यहाँ cheap है, लेकिन I said that. And doctor, number of doctors, if I am talking about, if you take in an Indian case, there is a large, what is it, I said that gap of doctors. पर in particular 2000 पे एक डॉक्टर होना चाहिए, every 2000 population there should be one doctor, but possibility 1 lakh पे ऐसा कुछ figure है, that is in a one doctor is like this. So I said there is a very lack of doctors and then education. ये दो sectors पे government को बहुत, ये छोटा सा problem नहीं है, it is in a what, it is in a kind of sweet poison. And in that time, suppose यदि दिल्ली में कोई problem हुआ, there will be disaster will take place due to lack of doctors. People will die due to lack of doctors. कोई मरना स्टार्ट हुए, कुछ earthquake आ गया, 40-50 हजार लोग, सभी जगह तुरंत कुछ होता है तो देखते हो, there is no place for what is na admission for the what is na patients. Then जब disaster, if some hazard took place or something had taken place, then where do they will go? They are not able to see there is a great need of large number of doctors in India, but there is a great, so health again, accessibility to health. Again उस समय क्या होगा? In the case of hazard, in the case of when the hazard become disaster, lack of number of doctors, it means again it is not in a developed nation. And then disasters जब होता है and there is a doctor's availability is very good, अरे hazards के समय there is a need of psychologist also. Disaster management is talking about, they should give an idea about their loss, their own. I said that human loss is there, that kind of person who is what he can do, he was not able to think, तो उसे बहुत kind of different kind of what is an economic help that we economic, psychological, all this kind of help we need to provide. So again, then accessibility to public services, like I said that health is very much important. And then other public services, I said that which kind of public services can be, I said that water supply, electricity supply, and other which are, it is always available in the same form. I said that water availability, food availability, we can say electricity is not food, हम लोग नहीं देखेंगे, electricity, transportation better, ये सारे क्या हैं? There is a what? Public who is providing this kind of what? Services. But the major one we have to see, health. Next one I said that infrastructure quality. Infrastructure quality. So quality of infrastructure. अभी मैंने आप लोगों से discuss किया. The infrastructure led to the increase in employment, and further that infrastructure will help in the increase in the what? Manufacturing industry. It will help in the further increase in employment, and then further it will help in growth of GDP as well as GNP, and in the long term NNP of India. This infrastructural development. So which are the social measures till now we have seen? Which are the social measures? Education and literacy, accessibility to public services like what, especially health, नहीं तो other there are there, water supply, hygiene condition and all. इंडिया में आते ही लोग बोलते हैं हाइजीन नहीं है, यूएस प्रेसिडेंट भागता है और उसकी लाइफ कुछ दिन की शॉर्ट हो जाती है, लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं. दीज आर द इश्यूज वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ. आई सेड दैट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्वालिटी, and then infrastructure quality is since last 3 government, and then we are able to see that in the last 15 years we are able to see that there is a what infrastructure development is in the process. Social security, monetary assistance from the state for people with an inadequate or no income. So first it is, I said that हमें monetary assistance provide करना है from the state for the people, and then duty of the state to provide monetary assistance those who are inadequate and those who are not able to give any kind of money, inadequate and no income. So these social security measures are pension, health insurance and medical, maternity, gratuity and disability. Which are the, और ये आपके नोट्स में शायद नहीं होगा, so you have to write this. I said that pension, health insurance and medical, maternity, gratuity, disability. Pension. If I am talking about pension, and according to EPFO, Employment Provident Fund Organization, under the Ministry of Labor, they said that we have around 400 to 500 million labor force. How much? In different sectors. 400 to 500 million labor force, but the pension, under the pension, they are 30 to 40 million people are under the pension scheme. So there is a great dearth. There is a great dearth of, I said that, this mismatch. Means there is, I said that if you are not able to provide the best facility, equality in the society, then the nation can never be, I said that, socially developed. Nation can never be socially developed, and the different insurance scheme is, there is also there. Next one, I said that health insurance. Yes, tell me. Health insurance में क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? What we'll say in the health insurance? इन द हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस हम लोग किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? हम अपनी बात कर रहे हैं या किसी और की बात कर रहे हैं? वी हैव न चांस, वी हैव एन एक्सेसिबिलिटी टू द हेल्थ, यस और नॉट? हम लोग किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? दोज हु आर नॉट एडिक्वेट एंड नो इनकम. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज. सो डोंट थिंक फॉर योर सेल्फ, you are accessible. I am talking about social measures where the people are, I said that social security, they need a monetary assistance. They need monetary assistance from the state to the people, from the state to the people, yes, and those who are inadequate and those who are, I said that, no income. That is known as again social security. हमने एक प्रॉब्लम तो रिजॉल्व कर दिया, पेंशन के प्रॉब्लम को बोला कि कैसे हमें दूर करना होगा. अदरवाइज इफ इट इज नॉट देयर, lots of, I said that after that the people, where do the people will go if the pension is not there? Old age and different kind of it, and after the services in the different sector. So I said that health insurance, और यहां पर आपको जोड़ना होगा जन धन से. First it is, I said that ESI Act, Employee State Insurance Act. Which one I said that? Employee State Insurance Act. Employees State Insurance Act. What it says that any employee who are working, and suppose I have in a company, suppose I have in a company, and in company I have more than one, it is less than 10 people employed, and one we have what, more than 10 people employed. The company which has more than 10 people employed, they have to necessity go for what? ESI, Employee State Insurance. In this one, then 50% will be given by the company and 50% will be given by the employer as an insurance policy. For insurance policy, 50% will be given by whom? I said that company, and then 50% for the insurance it will be given by the employer. उसके सैलरी में से काटा जाएगा. Understood? Thereafter they are entitled to take what is a medical facility and even cash benefit. Now through this ESI Act, what will happen? They will be entitled to get, I said that, free medical facility from the government and cash benefit